have tea?
No.
Can I please have some tea?
No. Get out of my tea store. Hugo.
I can have some tea.
No. It's only for me.
What
And
if,
Lucy and me.
what if I give you a nickel? Can I have some tea? Can I have
Hello?
some tea now?
No.
You took my money and I don't get tea?
No.
What if I pour my own tea?
No. Get out of my tea store.
You dumped out my tea! Well, that's not very nice at all. Cleared my plate, no less.
I can't. Mom,
Izzy, why are you so mad at him?
Because he threw a baseball at me.
He threw a football at you? You're still mad about that?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that was like an hour ago.
I did it.
Wait, what do you... No, go, pork.
She's closing up shop.
She sure is. She's shutting it down. Can I at least have some free Wi-Fi?